Feel the tranquil hold that encircles you. The air, life's unseen thread. Air quality mirrors shared well-being, the balance of existence. I voice air's essence. With each breath, creation's gift, pure air ignites your vitality. Still, my heart aches, witnessing air marred by human choices. Diminished air resonates, its impact cascading. Air links all life. Pollution transcends borders, harming forests, oceans, and creatures. The onus to restore rests on you. Plant trees, nature's filters. Honor the air, birthright of all. Consciously shape change, let ripples cleanse skies. Gift future breaths, a world reborn, air pristine and precious, life symphony in its cradle.